Ladies and gentlemen, I am always on the hunt for super clean pre-owned RVs that are hard to get a hold of. Today I found a leisure travel van here at North Trail RV in Fort Myers, Florida. It's a beautiful morning out here. You may hear the birds chirping a little bit here in Fort Myers, bright and early. Some of you may remember my buddy Brian from a couple previous videos. Brian, how you doing this morning, sir?
Hey everybody, how's it going?
So Brian, what's the story on this coach here?
So we just took this in. It's a 2017 leisure travel van. It's a Unity. It's the UMB24, which is the Murphy bed floor plan. A lot of the features that this coach has is it's got the dual solar panel option up on the roof. It's got a auto seek satellite system with the Alcoa wheels, which is an option on these units. When you walk inside, it's got the option for the luxury decor.
Before we go inside, and I want to ask you some more questions about leisure travel van because I know you're very knowledgeable, but what's this big basement, or what's this big door over here behind you?
It's got a lot of storage area inside.
Oh wow. So fully lined with carpet, and this is a really tall area, so this could almost be used as a second wardrobe closet, second area for wardrobe. You could hang some stuff there, or maybe even put like a, I don't know if a bicycle would quite fit, but it's definitely a very deep, very large storage area there. Something that not a lot of Class B vans think, or is this a Class C or a B plus or what?
A B plus, but if you go to register with the DMV, they will call it a Class C.
Okay.
So the B plus doesn't exist to the DMVs. It's only A, B, and C. But in the RV industry, we would call this a B plus.
Another storage bay down here. And I'm sorry, what size is the generator on this?
The 3600.
And that's a diesel generator?
Oh, no, it's the propane.
Propane generator,
Yep.
own it?
It gives you the ability to run the AC and the microwave at the same time.
Okay.
You got your mud daubers, your vent for your refrigerator. You're gonna have some more storage here. You got your inverter. One of the nice features about this coach is it does have 37,000 miles. But the 40,000 mile service from Mercedes-Benz was just done. It's got brand new tires and alignment on the front end.
Let's take a look just at the overall condition too. Definitely in good shape.
Customer added a Viper alarm system.
Oh, so the customer did add a Viper alarm system on it. And one thing I like to look at is how good of condition are the headlights in. Excellent condition. I would bet that this was stored indoors. Do you know if it was stored indoors?
Yeah,
or
they had a storage facility at their golfing community where they live.
So it was stored indoors. Frameless windows, definitely in excellent condition. Continental tires. I really like this two-tone with the silver and the dark gray. This has the Truma hot water heater with continuous hot water. Really good option. Just a great looking style on this coach. There's a reason that if you want to get a leisure travel van new, I've heard that there's like a crazy demand for leisure travel vans. What's like, I've heard it's hard to get these. What's the deal?
I don't know the exact date, but I've been told by other customers that they're probably a year to a year and a half, 18 months out to, if you ordered one, to get one.
The only thing that I'm seeing, like any kinds of scratches or anything, is just right here. I bet you someone had a ring, and when they, you know, when they grabbed this handle, they probably had a diamond or something knocking up against that. But I'm pretty sure that can really easily be repainted. And other than that, I mean, literally that's the only flaw I can find on this coach. Let's go inside here and we'll talk more about the LTV. Yeah, I can tell right away everything is in good condition. You can just tell by the seats. Yeah, these folks definitely took excellent care of this coach. It's got the Mercedes navigation. I like that it's got all of the controls here on the steering wheel for your volume and your menu adjustments. And I love the Mercedes Sprinter cockpit. I personally had a Mercedes Sprinter. I think this is probably one of the best driving vehicles on the road.
This is the option for the 2 electric jacks in the back. It's got all the options for the table. And this is the upgraded decor package that was in 2017, which is really nice, really good color, something you would see in a newer coach today. would look like this, and it still looks almost in brand new condition on the interior, but it does have 37,000 miles.
Yeah, I've got to point out, I love the kind of cream and dark two-toned look. I'm assuming there's a TV on a televator right here.
So you got a latch here, and you can push it down.
Oh, so it's a manual televator, not automatic, but just kind of spring-loaded.
And Leisure does a good job of giving you access to get to everything.
Yeah, and I'll point out that hinge is definitely, you know, overbuilt. They could have put this on a much cheaper hinge. More storage here.
Breakers. This is going to be your main control panel. It's going to allow you to control your jacks, tank monitor, your generator, and then your Magnum inverter.
Nice. I really like the feel of this woodwork too, and how it's at a curve there.
Heavy duty latches.
Yep, definitely those hinges are really overbuilt. Is there a oh yeah, nice. Yeah, so it's got a soft kind of release there just to keep everything latched in place. Plenty of storage up here. And then I'll also point out too that kind of ambient lighting that gives it an underglow, really gives it a good look. And then also too, is that like a skylight or?
Yeah, so this pops up and you can have air from the outside, and then this side would have a screen, keep the bugs out, get you that natural, fresh air coming in.
Yeah, absolutely. And with that very large opening as well, if you did want to get some fresh air in here, you can open that door and it'll really really air out quickly. You
got a ducted ceiling, which is usually you don't see in a van this size, which is a nice feature as well. Pushes that airflow throughout the whole coach. Gets that spread out so you'll stay nice and cool.
I like the leisure travel van embroidery on these kind of like a neck rest, or I'm not really sure exactly how to refer to that. Can we put the Murphy bed down just to show the folks? Yeah. We're gonna put the Murphy bed down here real quickly. Brian's kind of figuring it out here as we go. Looks everything's real user-friendly, really simple. So is this your first time putting this Murphy bed down?
Yes.
Wow, that was very quick, effortless.
It gives you the headboard to where you're able to put your pillows to get you a full depth. Then you have a window behind you that opens up for ventilation.
Yeah.
You do a nice little headboard. It's kind of cool.
I like that headboard. Definitely nice look.
Thickness of the mattress is good size.
Yeah, absolutely. And it just folds up there just if you want a little more room, or... Wow, that was really effortless. That did not take a lot of time at all. Couple latches. Swing the chairs back up. Table.
We have some snaps here to go in.
Just a couple snaps. So Brian, you used to work on RVs before selling RVs. Did you ever get a chance to work on leisure travel vans at all?
No, because there's really not a lot of them out there, so you really don't come across these very often. I know a lot of the people up in the northern coast, up on the like Washington, Oregon, California. That's probably where you see most of the coaches out there. So you really don't come across these too often.
Yeah, definitely in high demand, and I can tell why they're in such high demand. A lot of countertop space here. I mean, for a Class B or a Class C van, B+, the way it just went from a living room, to a bedroom, and then you still have your whole bathroom back here that we haven't shown everybody yet.
Shower. I think you should stand in it, show everyone how.
Yeah, you want to be the cameraman there? Just grab it from the bottom so it doesn't cover the microphones. Yeah, just kind of right there. Yeah, so, all right, I'll give you guys the shower test here. I'm 6'2". I like the lighting here. And so, stepping in the shower here, I'm 6'2". Plenty of room here. Definitely passes the shower test for a bigger guy. And it's, this is a large bathroom area, too. Like, if I shut this door, I could definitely, change my clothes. And I'll point out over here, you've got... good sized mirror right here. Looks like some wardrobe, plenty of wardrobe back here as well. This is something that's kind of cool. Is that a cup holder or a candle holder? It looks like a cup holder right here. If you want to have a glass of water or something. And then when you open and close these cabinets, and you can see the style of these hinges, this is definitely a high quality rig. Last time I made a video about a leisure travel van, it got like 700,000 views, and it sold within like a day or two. So if you are a serious buyer and you really want to get this leisure travel van, I'm going to try to get this video up as quickly as possible, and I will mark it sold when it is sold. But Brian, if someone is a serious buyer, how can they get a hold of you?
If you're interested in this coach, just give me a call on my cell phone. My number is 719-494-6290. And if it does sell, just know that we carry a lot of similar product. We carry a lot of similar product to this coach. We carry the Tiffin Wayfair, the Airstream Atlas, the Jayco Melbourne. We got some Thor product, and we also carry the Renegade, Vienna, and Bellagio. So any product like this you might be interested, give us a call here at North Trail RV Center.
This coach did just come in, so they haven't even priced it with the management yet. Brian actually took this in on trade on a Newmar Essex, right?
Newmar Essex, correct.
Wanted to get a much bigger coach.
Yep.
So I want to ask Brian the price, but I know this is just a fresh trade, so give Brian a call for the price, and I'm sure he's going to treat you well. Brian, can't thank you enough for letting me and the folks on YouTube take a look at this beautiful leisure travel van. Greatly appreciate it.
Like and subscribe to Andrew's channel.
Awesome. Yeah, greatly appreciate all of you. Hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.
Thank you, everybody.